Being a welder, contractor, or a construction worker can put you in a variety of different spaces. In order to get the job done, you have to always be connected. Having basic knowledge of the tools you're using will help you stay connected. Most welders have a 3-prong plug that is rated for 50 amp use. However, there are 2 different styles of plugs. The most common is NEMA 650P male plug, but another option is the NEMA 1050P male plug. So what are the differences? The 650 will be safer. The 1050 is also recognized to be the old, non-grounding style, while the 650 is recognized as a modern style. You can use high-powered outlets for your welder at home. The common high-power outlets are for your electrical cooking range and your clothes dryer. These are NEMA 1450R and NEMA 1430R or NEMA 1030R depending on the age of your home. To make sure you get the power you need at the amps you need, AC Works brand offers welder adapters that will work with generators, electric range outlets, and dryer outlets. If you are using your cooking range outlet, you can use AC Works brand compact welder adapter WD1450-650. For those using your clothes dryer outlet, we have a flexible welding adapter WD1430-650-018. If you have a 650 outlet wired in your home, we even offer NEMA 650 extension cord at 25 and 50 foot length. If you need to use a generator, we have a welder's kit for you to use as well. There are 30 amp welders out there, but it is not as common as the high power 50 amp welders. But if you do happen to use a 30 amp welder, we still have you covered. You can still use the same high powered outlets in your home, but they will have to convert to a NEMA L630R. The AC Works adapters to use in this situation would be AD1450L630, AD1430L630, and AD1030L630. Stay tuned next week when we cover marine shore power adapters. Please check out our website to read informative blogs about similar topics and to see our various adapters and cords for your power solution needs. Check us out on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you would like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.